Hi, Albena here. Thank you for stopping by to check this extraordinary opportunity for creating financial freedom. Have you ever wondered why we need a crisis to start changing our lives? I don't know about you, but this has certainly been my experience. I've been stuck in an unfulfilling and underpaid job for many years. And don't get me wrong, I work for the Dutch Royal Airlines, which is one of the top employers over here in the Netherlands. Unfortunately, often my job consists of unproductive meetings and it doesn't allow me to have the impact on the customers that I want. I was dreaming of having a more fulfilling job, like many of us do, but the real trigger to take action came only last year. My mother got seriously ill and she lost her mobility. All of a sudden, she needed an expensive medical care that she could not afford. The situation was hopeless because there was nothing I could do. And as difficult and painful as these times were for me, they also taught me a very valuable lesson. I realized that the financial security of my corporate job is fake. I realized that if I don't start taking action, I will not be able to provide for the people I love the most. This is how I came across the very same training I'm offering to you today for free. With this training, I started learning the affiliate marketing craft. Step by step, with the help of talented mentors, I created my online business. And in only 6 months' time, I started generating additional income. I'm very proud of that because I did it in parallel with my regular job and a busy family life with 2 children. And then the Corona crisis happened. The revenue of the airline I'm working for plummeted to earth. Can you imagine how scared I would have been, scared to death of losing my job in these times? Instead, I feel calm and confident that I can provide for my family even in these difficult times of economic recession. Moreover, you should see me jumping out of bed every morning, excited to start working on the things that I love. Enough about me. How about you? If this story resonates with you, leave me your contact details below and I'll send you the very same training that got me started. Who knows, maybe it will change your life the way it changed mine.